Here, I'm gonna walk away so you can get on. Damn. You're in.
Yo, free SAR? Like what?
It fell out.
Yeah.
Nice. Run away, Thomas. Run away. I've been working on the
What
railroad.
exactly are we going to do with the train?
Working on the
We're
railroad.
just gonna drive around in it?
Let's just say I have 300 low grade.
Yes, 300 low grade. I'm at 20 HP with a nail gun.
Oh, we're gonna run over this bear. Rip. He's dead. He's dead. Might need to take a pit stop here eventually.
Oh,
Yeah, I think.
no.
What the fuck? He just broke the thing.
Idiot ass, get inside it.
No!
I have literally two clots and nothing else. Leave me alone, leave me alone, leave me alone, leave me alone, leave me alone. Oh, come on.
Are you dead?
Nope, I'm sitting wounded on the front of the train while it's driving.
Let's get up. We need that low grade. Get up, Thomas.
I'm gonna get up. I believe it. I feel it.
That thing's gonna be running forever if you don't get up. It has 300 low grade in it.
What the fuck is happening to my body?
I'm gonna go kill this
There's
pig.
bear.
Where?
I don't know. Hey, there's a dead guy here.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
him.
that's him. Hey man, you listen to my guitar. Aww. Oh shit, dude.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to drive by him.
Hi there, bitches. What?
Drive by! Drive by! Drive by! He's jealous of my Gucci slugs. What the hell?
Shut up, bitches.
Yeah, what's up? Yeah, what's up?
Bitches.
What the hell? Why did you kill him?
It's literally glitching.
Get up.
Every time I get on it, it launches.
Get up. Oh, no, so close.
Connor, it's not gonna happen.
It is. Just.
It's not. You're a... Why can't I
Get
on?
on!
This... Hey!
Are you disabled? Oh, you're fucking dead! What the hell? How did you die? It was completely still.
It wouldn't let me on it, and then it killed me. I can't. It's gonna kill me. I swear to fuck.
Get on.
Oh, I missed.
Come on, you got it.
I know.
You got it. I believe.
Oh, fuck. I can't do it while it's driving. I was trying to take the goddamn fuel out of it.
You little bitch. Oh, shit, I'm dead. Get.
That's what you get.
Is it down?
Yeah. No, we
Get in it. Get in it, Thomas. Are you good?
No, please.
I bet.
He's gonna die. No. We're not giving him the base.
I know.
Y'all some.
You say it, I didn't hear it.
Will they kill me?
Hey, get away!
Hey.
Oh, run, bro, run! Run! They got away with it. They left the charcoal. What the hell did that? What? What are you leaving the charcoal for? Alright, Thomas, hit me in the head. Hit me in the head. Hit me in the head.